And now, our guest star, Fraser Doherty, talking about his app. Thanks for having me. So, let's get right into it. Tell us about your app. My app is called Train Me. Train Me is a workout app that is focused around high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT workouts or circuit training. Interval workouts involve periods of high-intensity training followed by periods of rest. As a result, they are one of the most effective ways to build muscle and lose fat. Train Me, my app, is built with this in mind. It allows users to either create custom interval workouts or choose from a database of pre-made workouts that are designed to maximize muscle growth. Wow, very cool. Could you tell us more about these pre-made workouts? So, the pre-made workouts are split into two categories, bodyweight and gym. Bodyweight workouts require no gym equipment, which makes it ideal for home, outdoor workouts, or group workouts with limited equipment. Bodyweight workouts are also more focused on toning and losing body fat. On the other hand, pre-made workouts are a bit more intense as they focus on building muscle, as they require gym equipment that is standard to the average gym. This makes it ideal for intense solo training to burn fat and build mass. As you can see on the screen, while searching through the workout options, a few key features are displayed. We can see the title, how long the training is, the rest, the number of sets, and the total time. It will also display the different exercises so you can see what you're getting yourself into before you start. So, you mentioned that pre-made workouts is only half the app. What's the other half? Pre-made workouts are great if you don't have a plan in mind or need some inspiration on different exercises. But for those that are more experienced, they may already know what exercises they want to do. In this case, they would select the custom button, which takes them to a different screen that allows them to craft their own workouts from scratch. The user can control a few different factors, including the work, which is how long they will be doing the exercises, the rest, which is how long the rest period is after the work set, the number of exercises, which is how many different exercises the user wants to do, the number of reps is how many times through the different exercises the user wants to do, and finally a reset period, which is an extended rest period in between each set of all the exercises. That's a lot of customization. Care to give an example to further explain to the audience how this feature works? Say you wanted to do a workout with pull-ups, squats, and bench press 4 times through. You'd probably want a minute of work time followed by 45 seconds of rest. So you would input the time, 60 seconds, and the rest time, 45 seconds, 3 exercises, and 4 reps. Now you come to reset, which is an extended rest period after you complete all 3 of your exercises. At this point, you would probably be a little more tired, so let's put in 2 minutes, which would translate to 120 seconds. After all that, you can see the total length, and if you aren't satisfied, you can update until you're happy with the results. Then you simply press the start button, which takes you to the interval timer, where you press play and start working out. Tell me more about the timer itself. Once you create your workout or choose the pre-made one, the interval timer will appear. After pressing the play button, the timer will automatically count down and alternate between work, rest, and reset sections of the workout, without any input by the user. If desired, you may also pause and play the workout at your discretion. Wow, very nifty app. Would you care to explain where the inspiration to create such an app came from? I originally got this idea last summer when my cousins and I were trying to get fit for our upcoming fall sports season. We incorporated lots of different exercises, minimal rest between exercises, and the need to accommodate lots of people at once. I think we had 12 different people working out, so we needed a system that would track our exercise time, give us consistent rest time between exercises, and let everyone know what was coming up next. We coined it the Doherty Family Workout. We tried lots of different timers, lots of different apps, but those apps kept pausing for ads, asking us to purchase a package, or frankly crashing. So I decided to build a better app. I knew I can code, so I put my talents to the test and created a better app that would fill the niche and exceed expectations for what an interval timer app could do. Can you tell us about the development process? The first part of creating an app is the idea, which started stirring a few months ago. I created some concept images and started programming. I started the concept of the timer in JavaScript and slowly transferred my functions over to React in a long process. The first few weeks I struggled with the React Native syntax, but I didn't let that stop me and I continued developing. Once the functions were all ready, I spent lots of time fixing bugs, putting in buttons, and polishing the app. In fact, I created all the artwork used in the app from scratch. After that, I spent lots of time talking to coaches and friends about different workouts to add, as well as get feedback from a bunch of people on what they wanted to see added and fixed. Very impressive stuff. Now that the app is ready for widespread use, what type of person should download Train Me, and why? The main purpose of the app is to encourage people to work out. This gives them a template and creates an intensity with the timer. Too often we want to work out but don't know what to do or where to start. It's easy to put in a half effort. The Train Me app removes the barrier of both planning a workout and pushing yourself. Here, in one place, you have the direction and motivation. You push as you see the timer click down, you gear up for the next set as you see the rest timer tick down, and you get results by pushing yourself. You don't need a coach barking directions at you. You have the direction and intensity all at your fingertips, and I think Train Me accomplished that goal. Excellent app, and excellent message. Thank you for coming on the show. Thanks for having me.